Hi, today I'm XIAOMI Poco C65 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should just open the settings application and then tap to the wallpaper section. Here you'll see the online wallpapers. You could use them if you use the internet, the mobile data or the Wi-Fi, or also you could use the system default wallpapers, just you could use them or photos from your device gallery, for example. So let's select one from the wallpapers, tap to apply, tap to select as lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. As you could see, that's so simple. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold it for a while, tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way you'll open here the online wallpapers. You could just switch to your account, tap to wallpapers, and to select your regular system wallpapers or just the wallpapers from your device. Just camera or download it from the internet. Tap to apply, tap select as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.